Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am delighted to take you on a captivating journey deep into the heart of Chinese Daoist culture, right here in Chongqing, China. We will explore the awe-inspiring Longquandong Taoist Temple, also known as the Hanging Monastery, perched on the sheer cliffs, a tranquil oasis amidst the bustling city. The Hanging Monastery got its name from its extraordinary location, built precariously on the edge of steep cliffs. This temple is a rare gem in the heart of a bustling urban landscape, offering a unique blend of spiritual serenity and breathtaking scenery. At the core of our exploration is the profound wisdom of Daoist philosophy, rooted in the ancient Tao Te Ching, authored by the Daoist sage Laozi. Daoism revolves around the concept of the Tao, representing the natural order and truth of the universe. It advocates for living in harmony with the Tao, embracing simplicity, non-contention, and aligning oneself with the natural flow of existence. Daoism emphasizes Wu Wei, which translates to non-action. This principle encourages individuals to act in accordance with the natural order, without unnecessary struggle or interference. In this tranquil haven, you'll witness the practice of meditation, Tai Chi, and yoga, fostering inner peace and spiritual freedom. As we delve into the Hanging Monastery, we'll witness the unique blend of architecture, spirituality, and breathtaking natural beauty. The temple's perch on the cliff's edge is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of humanity and nature. Join me as we embark on this enlightening journey into the heart of Daoist culture, right here at the Hanging Monastery in Chongqing, China. Whether you come from different countries or diverse spiritual backgrounds, I invite you to explore these ancient teachings. Discover how Daoism teaches us to harmonize with nature, cultivating inner tranquility amidst the remarkable scenery. Thank you for joining me. Let's uncover the rich heritage of Daoist philosophy together and embrace the essence of Hanging Monastery. Stay tuned as we explore this hidden gem in the midst of urban life. Let the wisdom of the Tao guide us as we take this extraordinary path to enlightenment.